Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter 11, that is recruitment, selection and training. Today's topics are meaning and definition of recruitment and internal and external sources of recruitment. Now, what is recruitment? Recruitment means identifying the sources of required staff and contacting the sources to attract the sufficient number of candidates from which the choice can be made. According to Edwin Flippo, recruitment is the process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs in the organization. Now, children, internal and external source of recruitment. When job vacancies are filled up from people already working in the organization, it is known as internal recruitment. And on the other hand, when job vacancies are filled up from people working outside the organization is known as external recruitment. There are two main sources of internal recruitment. One is promotion and the other one is transfer. What is promotion? Vacancies at higher levels may be filled up by promoting persons working at lower levels. For example, when the present sales manager of a company retires, one of the branch managers may be promoted as the new sales manager. Promotion involves shifting an employee to a higher post, carrying a higher status and more salary. Now, what is transfers? Transfer means shifting an employee from one factory, branch or office to fill vacancy in another factory, branch or office of the company. For example, shortage of salesperson in one branch may be met by transferring salespersons from another branch. Transfer involves shifting an employee to a similar job without change in status and salary. Now, external recruitment. External recruitment refers to recruitment of employees from outside the organization. Advertisement in newspapers is the most widely used method of recruiting staff. Whenever an organization wants to fill job vacancies, it may issue advertisement giving details of the job to be filled in and the qualification required for it. Now, next is employment exchanges. The Government of India has set up employment exchanges throughout the country to tackle the unemployment problem. They register the name, address and other particulars of the job seekers. And when employers notify job vacancies to these exchanges, they refer the names of suitable candidates. Now, next is placement agencies. The agency will advertise the job, receive and screen applications and select suitable persons and shortlist them. The employer saves his time and effort and get the benefit of the agency's expertise. So children, only this much is for today's class. The next external sources of recruitment we are going to study in the next video. Till then, bye. Stay home, stay safe.